Christmas isn't about how big you are, it's about how big you believe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. On a quiet Christmas night, a very small chick felt very small in a very big world. But inside its tiny heart lived a dream bigger than fear. It believed that even the smallest light could shine in the darkest night. And when it shared its dream, it found friends who believed too. Together, they learned that kindness makes every dream stronger. With courage in their hearts, they took one small step at a time. And that small dream became a Christmas miracle. Because when you believe, even the tiniest dream can change the world. This Christmas, never stop dreaming. Small dreams, big miracles.